Hello, Internet Academy scholars. Mrs. Olson here. It is week 21 of first semester. This is the last week to submit new work. What is considered new work? They are assignments that you are missing, so you haven't turned them in yet. And if you have submitted all of your work and you want to improve scores, this is the week to do that. Next week, week 22, is the end of first semester, and teachers will be correcting work and also preparing grades so that they can get sent out to you. Monday of this week honored the life and the legacy of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. He said, "If I cannot do great things, I can do small things in a great way." All right, everyone, have a great week. Bye!